Hello and welcome in my YouTube channel. My name is Alok Kumar and you are watching my on show talk with Alok Singh. Today I'm going to share a news. This is very significant news. News for us. This is globally problem because we are suffering from pandemic and now disaster is happening. This news related environment climate change. So in Canada, in Canada, weather dozens date as heat wave setters recorded. So this news I got from BBC. Police, police in the Vancouver area have responded to more than 130 sudden deaths since Friday. Most were elderly or had underlying health conditions. They said the heat was a contributing factor in many cases. On Tuesday, Canada recorded its highest ever temperature for a third straight day, minus 49.5 C in Latin British Columbia. Before this week, temperature in the country had never passed 45 C. The heat wave is due to dome of high pressure hovering over the northwestern US and Canada. The heat is believed to have been a contributing factor in the deaths of 65 people in the city of Vancouver, police say. The suburb of Burnaby, meanwhile, reported at least 34 sudden deaths, and the Surrey area recorded 38. Vancouver has never experienced heat like this, and sadly, dozens of people are dying because of it. Police Sergeant Steve Addison said, "Our officials are stretched thin, but we are still doing everything we can to keep people safe." He said before adding that daily sudden death calls in the city had more than tripled. In the teeny village of Latune, about 155 miles east of Vancouver, resident Megan Fandry said it had been almost impossible to go outside. Next, it's been intolerable, she told the Globe and Mail newspaper. We are trying to stay indoors as much as possible. We are used to the heat and it's a dry heat, but 30 degree is a lot of different from 47. Then many homes in British Columbia do not have air conditioner as temperature are usually for milder during the summer month. Temporary water fountain and cooling center have been set up in the Vancouver area. Dozens of officers have been deployed in the city, while the increased volume of 911 call has created a backlog and depleted police resource. The country weather service Environment Canada has issued heat warning for the province of British Columbia and Alberta, along with areas of Saskatchewan, the Northeast Territory, and Manitoba. We are the second coldest country in the world and the snowiest, said David Phillips, a senior climatologist for Environment Canada. We often see cold snaps and blizzard, but not often do we talk about hot weather like this. Dubai would be cooler than what we are seeing now. Experts say climate change is expected to increase the frequency of extreme weather events such as heat waves. However, linking any single event to global warming is complicated. Next, in the US Pacific Northwest on Monday, temperatures hit 46.1 C in Portland, Oregon, and 42.2 C in the Seattle, Washington. The highest level since record keeping begins in the 1940, the National Weather Service said. A dozen deaths in Washington and Oregon may be linked to the heat wave. The heat is intense enough to melt cables shooting down the Portland streetcar service on Sunday. Then view original tweet on Twitter. What was that? An electrical utility in Spokane, Washington, has also introduced ruling blackouts to cope with huge power demand as uh, residents run air conditioners. One Seattle resident told the AFP news agency that the city felt like a desert. Normally 60 to 70 degrees in a great day. Everybody is outside in short and t-shirt, but this is ridiculous. Amazon allowed member of the public. Amazon means company. Amazon company, not a forest. Amazon allowed member of the public into areas of its Seattle headquarters as a cooling of a location on Monday, while people in Portland also flocked to cooling center. So that was news, and this is not a good news. So, government, public, and all international organization will have to do for climate change some strict uh, rules regulation will have to implement in all over globally. So friends, thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and share among your friend circle. Thank you for watching and love you.